What's up, rock stars? Today I am rocking some of our newest swag in the SGS Rockstar shop. So if you're having some envy over my Rockstar hat, I think it's on this side, or my tank top, head over to the Rockstar shop where you can see all of this and so much more. We have tons of smoothie swag. But now I want to get into the smoothie that I want to make today. And this is the very first smoothie I ever made for my family, and it's what changed our lives. So it's called Very Berry. And it is so high in vitamin C, and the reason why we started making it was to boost our immune system because we didn't have health insurance and we couldn't afford to get sick. And so we blended this smoothie every single day when my kids were 1.5 and 3, and they stopped getting sick. And so it magically works because the power of plants is real, and I want to share it with you today. And it's not just for kids, so don't think if you don't have kids or that it's not for you. I drink this smoothie too all the time. If something is going around the schools, or if at work people are sick, or at church, wherever we are, I will start chugging my vitamin C smoothies to try to avoid getting sick. So drink this if you are in that boat too. All right, the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna add 1 cup of spinach to our blender. Just like that, easy like that. All right, and then we're gonna add 1/3 a cup of water. Now you may be saying, that's like so little water, how's that even gonna blend? Aha! We are gonna throw in an orange. No, we're not gonna do the peel on it, but we are gonna cut it, and an orange has so much hydration in it, so much water content, that you don't need to do a full cup of water that we do in all of our other smoothies to make this one the perfect consistency. So I'm gonna show you how I cut an orange, because it might be a little different. I do not peel it, because when you peel it, you lose more of the pith, and the pith is the white stuff that we never like as kids and we don't want to eat. But when you blend it, you don't taste it, and it actually has more vitamin C than the rest of the orange. So we're trying to get our vitamin C up, so let's do this. Keep the pith, you guys. All right, and just to help the blender out a little bit, I'll cut it into fourths. I have put a whole orange in here before, and sometimes it gets caught weird, so it doesn't take much more time to cut it up to help my blender out. All right, if you're using a low-powered traditional blender, the one that I started with, start blending now. You're gonna put your lid on, blend up these 3 ingredients first, your water, your orange, and your spinach. Get rid of all the leafy chunks, and then you're gonna add in the rest. If you have a high-powered blender, we're using the Vitamix 7500 today. This is the one I use every day in my kitchen. It is a refurbished model, which meant I saved lots of money on it, and it brought it down, I think it was under $300 when all is said and done, with the free shipping too. So if you're interested in that, I can put a link below and show you how to get that same deal if they have more available, because sometimes they don't, because it's refurbished and it just sometimes runs out. All right, now we're gonna add in our strawberries. Strawberries are high in vitamin C, which is great. Now we're gonna do some blueberries. The reason why we started putting blueberries in the smoothie with the kids was to mask the green color, because back then they didn't want green. No one wanted green. So the more berries you use, the less green your smoothie is gonna be, which helps with kids or picky husbands or picky wives. I don't know. Some of us just don't like green, but I've come around to it. All right, I'm gonna do half of a banana and wipe my fingers again. Okay, put the lid on, and it's time to blend. All right, that dumbbell was a little hard, but good workout. So why not work out while you're waiting for the blender to do its thing, you guys? Let's do it, right? Move our bodies. Okay, this is a green smoothie, but it's purple, so kids are gonna be like, oh yay, perfect. And drink it all up. I'm still out of breath. Okay, so I'm pouring it into smaller cups than I normally do in my demos, and that's to show you how I do it for my kids. So 1 adult serving of any smoothie recipe serves 2 children. So I have cute lids that are also in the shop if you want to check it out. That makes it even more fun for kids. So if they're struggling to drink their greens or any kind of smoothie, make it more fun. Give them something to look forward to. A cute cup, cute straws, and they'll be much more likely to drink it. So here is our Very Berry smoothie that has 200% of your daily intake of vitamin C, which is great for your body and your immune system. So yeah, I hope you blend it for you, your kids, your loved ones, your grandkids, whoever. Spread the word that this smoothie will help you stop getting sick, because it will. It worked for us. All right, if you want more videos like this, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and I can't wait to see you again. All right, bye.